Hey man, say man, it's your boy Jump Out Max coming back to you another video. If you ain't already like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button, go ahead and join the family. It's free to do. You can always unsubscribe when you need it to. Without further ado, we down here at the Chattahoochee River again on that monster catfish hunt. All different types of bait we got on today. We already got the poles out in the water. I'm gonna turn the camera around and give y'all a sweet little view of what I got, my morning office view, and we gonna get straight into it. Yes, sir. All right, man. So our first bait is live bluegill. Yeah, we got some cocktail shrimp, some night crawlers, got chicken liver, and regular raw uncooked shrimp. Pole setups, we got the bit water combo, Shakespeare, spooled up with some 30-pound line, and we got a nice drag set on that pole. Then we got the new pole. Y'all go get this pole, a Zebco bait alert with an electronic bait alert, so it doesn't need a bell like this pole I have down here with the bell on it. We got the 808. No, this is not an 808. This is the Pro Cat combo, catfish combo. And yeah, we got bluegill, we got shrimp on the 3-way, and we got a lightweight rig with night crawlers. And this is the view. The water's kind of low, so you are seeing more rock and land this time than from last time. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it and see what we could get on today. Yes, sir. We got some bass blowing up out there, chasing what looks like a skipjack. I didn't even bring my lure pole out. Oh, got a fish on. Like we got a catfish on our bait pole. We got a nice little channel kitty with some nice cut bait. The 1-pounders count too. Yeah, as y'all can see, he's pulling out drag real good. And we got our first channel kitty. Nice size channel kit. He's too big for me to go cut up. I mean, he will make some nice chunks. We might keep him for bait. We just might. Channel kitty, and we got him hooked right in the bottom of that jaw. He looks kind of pigmented, like something wrong with his fin. But we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy up off this hook and get this pole back out. Connected.